and you ask me how I'm doing, I probably have to tell you that. Tell you that, tell you. I'm too broke, too busy, don't smoke, but I'm privy to the haze I've been growing. But days I am not fine. Thank you for asking. I've been thinking about you. There's just no time, so I won't lie and tell you that I'll see you soon. You won't believe it's true. You see, I'm clinging to my sanity. I'm too broke to choose, and I'm too busy to lose any more sleep. Please excuse me while I chase these dreams. 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 I've got people that I love. Sometimes I feel like I'm not enough. I'll admit that I get caught up chasing after things that deep down don't matter. And if I'm really being honest, and you ask me how I'm doing, I probably have to tell you that. Tell you that, tell you that.